Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ELGATO CAM LINK 4K device. As you can see, it's here, and I do have Sony camera, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily plug your camera using your CAM LINK 4K to your PC. So at first you have to prepare a HDMI cable like that, which is to your camera and to the CAM LINK. And at first you have to plug your HDMI cable into your camera. As you can see, at first I have to open and turn my camera on. I mean, it doesn't have to be turned on, but we have to just plug our camera cable to it. So we have to do this like that, as you can see. And now our cable is plugged, so let's place it like that, very carefully. And the second part of it is to plug our HDMI cable to our device CAM LINK, which has the HDMI port here. Now we have to plug this, and now the finishing process is that we have to plug just this CAM LINK to our PC. I do have the USB hub, so I will plug this to my USB hub, but the best option is to plug this straight to your computer. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.